Good afternoon, students. Today we will continue our topic interrogative sentence. Today we will first recapitulate how to change the affirmative sentences of simple present tense into negative sentences. Then we will learn to change them into interrogative sentences. So let us begin. Students, look at the first sentence. She reads. As you know, singular subject takes plural verb. She is singular, so reads will be in its plural form. READ, read, is singular, but when S is added with it, it has become reads. So the plural reads will be used here as the subject she is singular. Then its negative form will be she does not read. You have already learned the process how to change it into negative sentence. We have to do what? We have to add only does, then not. Then we will write the singular form of the verb read. And why so? Because does is already plural of do, so we cannot use double plural. So here reads will take its singular form. S will be removed from reads. I hope it is clear to you. Now, how we can change it to interrogative? Students, we will simply change the position of does and bring it to the beginning of the sentence, as you have done for the negative sentence and interrogative sentence for the be verb and have verbs. After that, we will write the remaining part of the sentence as it is. And as you know, for interrogative, we will omit not and will put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Then we will have our interrogative form and it is does she read? Now look at the next example. He paints. Here he is singular subject, so paints is plural of verb paint. And its negative form will be he does not paint. You can see the same rule is applied. Since does is added, so it is plural of do. So to avoid double plural, paints has taken its singular form paint. S has been removed from paint. And then we can easily make it interrogative, and it will be what? It will be does he paint? So what have we done here? We have just changed the position of does and placed it before the sentence. Then we have removed not and added question mark. Okay, now have one more example. My sister sings. My sister is singular subject, as you can understand. So the verb sing will be used in plural form. So we will not use sing, S-I-N-G. We will add S with it. So the verb will be sings, S-I-N-G-S, plural form of the verb sing. Now let's make it negative. My sister does not sing. Make it interrogative. Does will come to the beginning. So we will start the interrogative sentence with does. Then we will write the remaining part of the sentence. But we will never forget to omit not and add question mark. Hope you have understood how to change the affirmative sentences into negative and interrogative sentences if we find the subject is singular. Now we will see if there is plural subject in the affirmative sentence. Then how we can change them to other two forms of the sentences. Look at the first sentence. We play. Here we is plural subject, so the verb play will be in its singular form. As you know, plural subject takes singular form. So here you can notice S is not added with the verb play. It's not plays, it's play. You have learned also that how you can convert it into negative form. Only after the subject do not will be added in order to make it negative. So let's have its negative form. We do not play. As you can see, only do and not are added here after the subject be. Now let's make it interrogative. Now we will only bring the do to the beginning of the sentence and omit not. Then we will easily have its interrogative form. So it will be do we play. Now let's move on to the next one. They eat. As you can notice, they is plural. So the verb eat is singular. Let's make it negative according to the rule. It is they do not eat. Now let's make it interrogative by changing the position of do, as you have already learned. Yes, it will be do they eat. Do will come to the beginning of the sentence and we will surely omit not. Alright, now have one more example. Birds fly. So, students, tell me, bird is singular or plural? Bird is singular, but birds is plural. So, when s is added with bird, it is plural then. Here it is birds. So, the verb fly will be in its singular form. Then the negative form of this sentence will be birds do not fly. And interrogative form will be do birds fly. Hope you have seen do has changed its position and placed in the beginning of the sentence from negative sentence to make it interrogative one. Then, as the rule says, to omit not and add question mark. And students, always remember we use does for singular subject and do for plural subject. I hope you have clearly understood the process how we can change an affirmative sentence of simple present tense to its negative and interrogative forms. Students, watch this video several times to get a clear idea. Thank you, students.